Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your DNS server is not responding on your computer. So, assuming you have internet connection and you're just getting this DNS server error, this tutorial will be for you guys. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Control Panel. Best match should say Control Panel right above Desktop App. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. Now you want to left click on the area that says Network and Internet by left clicking on it one time. Now that you have done that, what you want to do now is go up to Network and Sharing Center and left click on that. Now whatever connection type is listed over here, you can see there's a hyperlink for Ethernet, but in your case it might be Wi-Fi. You want to left click on it. Then you want to go down and left click on Properties down here. And now left click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then once you've done that, you want to left click on this Properties button down here. You want to select Use the following DNS server address down here. And now what you want to do is type in 8 and then .8.8.8, and you want to make sure that you just type 1.8 inside of each one of these spaces. So don't type 4 8s in one spot. You just want to make sure that they're all separate. And then alternate DNS server should be 8.8.4.4. Please note the dots automatically put in there. I'm not actually typing in any dots. And once you've done that, you want to check mark validate settings upon exit. Click on OK. Close out of this. And if we open up a web browser here, and if you guys were curious, that happens to be Google's public DNS, so pretty safe. And you can see we have internet access. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.